Hello class, I've got a few videos for you tonight. One type of problem that we're asked to do is called the portion problem or the percent problem. And I have a way that I was taught to do these problems, and I'd like to show you because it kind of simplifies things for those of you who might not be real great at algebra. If we draw a symbol like this and split it into parts and label these parts portion, rate, and base, we can draw some equations from this that are very useful to us. And the reason I drew the picture like this, I think you'll see the equations kind of fit the picture. Now, what are we talking about? These are equations that say things like, what is 24% of 150? In these equations, we always have certain parts. The rate, it's always written as percent or stated as percent. That one's pretty easy to get. But in these problems, you have to decide which is the base and which is the portion. The base is the total, or sometimes the original amount. The portion is some smaller portion of the base. Well, I got to be careful there. It's not always a smaller portion, but it's a subset of the base. A part of the base. So let's see. Now, how does this equation work? First of all, you see we have portion, and so one equation that this gives us is portion equals rate times base. Rate times base, and you can kind of see rate and base are next to each other, so they sit like that. Well, what if you wanted to solve for rate? What if you were given portion and base and wanted to solve for rate? Well, what you do is you write rate, and then you have portion over base. Rate is equal to portion over base. Finally, what if you were given base? Well, that's equal to portion over rate. There you go. 3 simple equations. Draw this picture, and it just might help you.